What if I told you that the secret to a magazine-worthy garden isn't expensive landscaping, but 14 items you probably already have at home? I'm about to show you transformations that will make your neighbors stop and stare. And the best part? Most cost absolutely nothing. Stay until the end because idea number 14 will completely transform your garden for under $5. And I guarantee you've never seen anything like it before. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Golden Seniors Living, where we prove that the most beautiful gardens aren't created with big budgets, but with creativity and wisdom. I'm so excited to share these 14 natural decoration ideas with you today. Each one has been specifically chosen because they're gentle on your back, easy on your wallet, and absolutely stunning in results. Before we start, grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to jot down the materials for your favorites. And here's a fun challenge. As we go through each idea, count how many of these items you already have at home. Type that number in the comments when we're done. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon because we share practical garden wisdom every single week. Now, I've organized today's 14 ideas into 5 beautiful clusters, and coming up first, we have some absolutely magical ways to repurpose everyday items. You're going to see how a simple kitchen colander becomes a stunning planter, how natural branches transform into garden art, and how ordinary tiles create the most charming borders. But first, let me share something personal. You know, some of my most treasured garden memories come from working alongside my grandmother, who could turn anything into garden gold. She taught me that the most beautiful decorations often come from seeing potential where others see waste. That wisdom is exactly what we're starting with today. Our first idea is one of my absolute favorites, vintage colander hanging planters. If you have an old metal colander sitting in your kitchen drawer, you're holding garden magic in your hands. These make the most stunning cascade planters because they already have perfect drainage built right in. Simply line them with coconut fiber or even coffee filters, fill with potting soil, and plant with trailing petunias, ivy, or herbs like trailing thyme. Hang them at different heights from shepherd's hooks or tree branches, and you've created layers of living beauty. The best part? They're incredibly lightweight, so no heavy lifting required. If bending is difficult, you can prepare these sitting at your kitchen table before hanging them outside. Coming up next, we're taking natural branches and turning them into stunning garden sculptures. Plus, I'll show you how to create the most charming borders using simple tiles. But first, drop it in the comments if you have a colander you can transform. This second idea brings vertical drama to any garden space. Collect tall, interesting branches. Fallen branches from storms work perfectly, or you can trim from your own trees. The key is choosing branches with character, maybe a gentle curve or interesting bark texture. Once you have your branches, here's where the magic happens. Push them firmly into the ground in groups of 3 or 5, and odd numbers always look more natural. Now here's the beautification secret. Wrap the bases with colorful garden twine in earth tones. Or better yet, let morning glory or clematis vines climb up naturally. For instant color, tie small terracotta pots at different heights and plant them with bright annuals. This creates living sculpture that changes with the seasons. In winter, you can hang small solar lights or even bird feeders from these branches. Type done in the comments if you've got branches in your yard perfect for this project. Our third treasure is all about creating definition and charm with natural borders. This is perfect if you have leftover tiles from home projects or can find interesting stones. The secret to making these borders absolutely stunning is mixing textures and heights. Start by digging a shallow trench along your flower bed edge. About 2 inches deep is plenty. Now, instead of just laying tiles flat, try this alternate between standing some tiles on edge and laying others flat, creating a gentle wave pattern. Between the tiles, nestle smooth river rocks or even broken pieces of terracotta pots. The weathered look is beautiful. For extra charm, plant low-growing thyme or moss between the gaps. This technique works beautifully around herb gardens, rose beds, or even to define a small vegetable patch. The natural variation in height and texture catches light differently throughout the day, creating visual interest that expensive borders can't match. But wait, the next cluster is even better. We're moving into decorations that Mother Nature herself provides. Coming up, how to create peaceful Zen corners with found objects, whimsical fairy houses that grandchildren will adore, and moss-covered markers that look like they've been in your garden for decades. There's something deeply satisfying about decorating your garden with materials that nature has already perfected. No paint, no artificial colors, just the stunning beauty that's all around us if we know where to look. Idea number 4 creates the most peaceful meditation spots using driftwood and smooth stones. Now, even if you don't live near water, you can find weathered wood pieces and river rocks at garden centers, or even smooth pieces from your own yard after storms. The key to a beautiful Zen corner is asymmetrical balance. Start with one larger piece of weathered wood as your anchor. This could be leaning against a fence or tree. Around its base, arrange smooth stones in odd-numbered groupings. I like to add one perfectly round stone as a focal point. The magic happens when you add height variation, maybe a small stack of flat stones, or a single interesting stone balanced on the wood. For evening ambiance, tuck a small solar light behind the wood piece so it casts gentle shadows. This creates a spot where you can sit quietly with your morning coffee and just breathe. Pause the video right now and look around your yard. Do you already have materials for a Zen corner? Let me know in the comments. Our 5th idea brings pure whimsy to your garden: pine cone and twig fairy houses. These are absolutely magical and cost nothing to create. Start collecting pine cones of different sizes. The larger ones become the main house structures. For walls, gather small straight twigs about the same length. Using outdoor craft glue or even mud as natural cement, attach twigs vertically around the pine cone to create walls. The pine cone scales become a natural shingled roof. For doors, use small flat pieces of bark, and tiny pebbles make perfect stepping stone paths. Here's the senior-friendly tip: create these indoors during comfortable weather, then place them in your garden when complete. Tuck them among hostas, at the base of trees, or near flower beds where they'll look like they've always belonged. Your grandchildren will absolutely love helping with these, and they make wonderful gifts too. Comment below if you're planning to make fairy houses. I'd love to see your creations. Idea 6 creates the most beautiful natural-looking garden markers you've ever seen. Start with wooden letters from a craft store. Choose letters that spell out garden areas like herb bees, ear oses, or even family names. Here's the secret to the weathered, aged look. Brush the letters with buttermilk, then press preserved moss onto all surfaces. The moss adheres naturally and looks like it's been growing there for years. For areas without moss available, you can create the same effect by mixing plain yogurt with a handful of garden soil and painting this mixture onto the letters. Within weeks, natural moss and lichen will begin growing. Mount these on small stakes or lean them against stones near each garden area. They're completely weather resistant and actually become more beautiful with age. In winter, they add texture and interest when flowers are dormant. These natural markers remind me of old English gardens where everything looks effortlessly established. Speaking of effortless beauty, our next cluster is all about magical lighting that requires no electrician and no complicated wiring. Coming up, solar lantern pathways, herb-scented luminaries, and wine bottle borders that glow. There's nothing quite like gentle lighting to transform a garden from ordinary to absolutely enchanting. The ideas in this cluster create ambiance that makes your outdoor space feel like a secret garden, even in the smallest yards. Idea 7 creates the most enchanting walkway lighting with just mason jars and solar lids. These solar mason jar lids are available at most garden centers for just a few dollars each, and they transform any canning jar into a beautiful lantern. Here's my technique for maximum impact. Use jars of varying sizes along your pathway, but keep them an odd number. 7 or 9 jars look more natural than 6 or 8. For soft romantic lighting, spray the inside of some jars with frosted glass spray, leaving others clear for brighter light. During the day, these charge automatically, and at dusk, they create a magical pathway that guides guests through your garden. The beauty is in the simplicity, no wiring, no electricity bills, just gentle solar power. For seniors, this means safe pathway lighting without any complicated installation. Drop a if you're planning to create a solar pathway. I love seeing how creative our community gets with lighting. Our eighth idea combines beautiful lighting with natural pest control. Neon luminaries planted with aromatic herbs. Save large tin cans. Coffee cans work perfectly. Using a hammer and nail, punch decorative patterns around the sides. Stars, spirals, or simple dots all create beautiful light patterns. Paint the outside with heat-resistant spray paint in colors that complement your garden. Now here's the clever part. Plant lavender, mint, or citronella around the base of each luminary. When you light a battery-operated candle inside, the warmth releases the herb fragrances, which naturally deter mosquitoes and other pests. You get beautiful ambient lighting in a bug-free seating area. For safety, always use battery-operated candles rather than real flames, especially around dried herbs. But wait, the next idea is even better. We're creating glowing garden borders that look absolutely magical after dark. Idea 9 transforms empty wine bottles into stunning glowing borders. This technique creates continuous ribbons of light along flower beds or pathways. Here's the simple method. Remove labels from wine bottles and insert battery-operated string lights through the neck. The kind with tiny LED bulbs work best. Push the bottles neck down into the soil along your border, spacing them about 2 feet apart. The colored glass creates beautiful filtered light, and different colored bottles create a rainbow effect. For a more cohesive look, stick with bottles in your garden's color scheme, perhaps all amber bottles for a warm glow, or green bottles for a cool forest feel. This lighting method is completely weather resistant, and the batteries typically last several weeks. It's sophisticated lighting that costs almost nothing to create. These lighting ideas prove that atmosphere doesn't require expensive fixtures, just creativity. Our next cluster takes us into living art installations, where your decorations actually grow and change with the seasons. Coming up, vertical succulent art, herb spirals, and butterfly landing stations. The most beautiful garden decorations are the ones that live and breathe alongside your plants. These next 3 ideas create focal points that become more beautiful over time, changing with the seasons and growing alongside your garden. Idea 10 creates stunning vertical art using old picture frames and succulents. Remove the glass and backing from large picture frames. Thrift stores are perfect for finding interesting frames. Stretch chicken wire across the frame, opening and secure with staples. Line the back with landscape fabric, then fill with succulent potting mix. Now comes the artistic part. Plant small succulents through the wire mesh, creating living pictures. The beauty is that succulents need minimal water and actually prefer neglect, making this perfect for busy seniors. Lean these against fence posts, walls, or even tree trunks for instant garden art. Over time, the succulents fill in and spread, creating dense, colorful tapestries. In winter, many succulents develop beautiful stress colors, reds, purples, and oranges that add warmth to cold season gardens. Type artistics if you're inspired to create living art. I'm always amazed by the creativity in our community. Our 11th idea maximizes herb growing space while creating a beautiful sculptural element. An herb spiral in a galvanized tub. Large galvanized tubs are readily available and create perfect raised planters that are easier on your back. Here's the technique. Fill the tub with quality potting soil, then create a spiral pathway using flat stones or bricks, building higher toward the center. This creates different microclimates in one container. The top center stays drier for Mediterranean herbs like rosemary and oregano, while the outer lower areas stay moister for basil and parsley. The spiral design is not only practical, but creates visual interest from every angle. As herbs grow and cascade over the edges, you have a living sculpture that's both beautiful and functional. Plus, having herbs at waist height makes harvesting comfortable for seniors. Coming up next is my personal favorite idea in this cluster, butterfly landing stations that bring magical visitors to your garden. Idea 12 creates irresistible landing spots for butterflies using shallow dishes, colorful stones, and strategic plantings. The secret to attracting butterflies is providing exactly what they need: water, landing spots, and nectar sources, all in one beautiful vignette. Use shallow ceramic dishes or even large plant saucers filled with colorful river rocks and just enough water to create small puddles between stones. Butterflies need landing spots to drink, and the rocks provide perfect perches. Surround these stations with butterfly-attracting plants like lantana, pentas, or native wildflowers. Place your stations in sunny spots protected from strong winds. The magic happens when butterflies discover these oases. Suddenly your garden becomes a living kaleidoscope of color and movement. It's like having nature's most beautiful visitors perform just for you. These living installations prove that the most beautiful garden decorations are the ones that welcome wildlife and grow more lovely with time. But we're not done yet. Our final cluster contains the most secret magical touches that will make your garden absolutely unforgettable. Every truly magical garden has secret touches, unexpected elements that surprise and delight visitors. These final two ideas add layers of sensory experience that transform your garden into an immersive sanctuary. Idea 13 adds the gift of sound to your garden with hidden rock speakers. These weatherproof Bluetooth speakers are designed to look exactly like natural stones and are available online for reasonable prices. Nestle them among real rocks in flower beds or near seating areas where they blend invisibly. Connect them to your phone or tablet to play gentle nature sounds, maybe babbling brooks, soft rain, or bird songs. This creates an immersive experience that makes your garden feel like a private retreat. For seniors who enjoy morning meditation or quiet reflection, this subtle sound backdrop enhances the peaceful atmosphere. You can also play soft instrumental music during garden parties or family gatherings. The speakers are completely weatherproof, and the battery life is impressive, often lasting days between charges. Comment magical if you love the idea of hidden garden sounds. Now, are you ready for idea 14? It's absolutely worth the wait. And now for our final idea, the one I promised would transform your garden for under $5. This is the memory stone pathway, and it's absolutely magical. Collect smooth river rocks from your yard, a creek bed, or purchase them inexpensively from garden centers. Using paint pens designed for outdoor use, these cost about $5 for a pack. Write important dates on the stones: anniversary dates, birthdays, the day you moved into your home, when children were born, when grandchildren arrived. Create a pathway or border using these stones, arranging them chronologically to tell your family's story. Over time, as you walk this path, you're literally walking through your most treasured memories. The stones weather naturally, gaining character, while the permanent ink preserves your dates. Guests will stop to read the stones and ask about the stories behind each date. It's a conversation starter, a family timeline, and a beautiful garden feature all in one. This simple idea transforms any garden path into a deeply personal journey through time. And there you have it, 14 simple natural decoration ideas that truly add that certain something to any garden. Before you go, I'd love to know which idea inspired you most. Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Golden Seniors Living for more budget-friendly garden wisdom every week. Hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest ideas. Remember, the most beautiful gardens aren't created with big budgets. They're created with creativity, wisdom, and love. Until next time, keep growing and keep creating. Happy gardening.